welcome back to Kala Poshana for another beautiful DIY that you can easily make at home. In today's video, I'm gonna make this beautiful floral stands that you can use for all your festive decorations or home decor. Please follow along for making this beautiful DIY at home. To make the paper flower, here I am using some gold cardstock papers, glue stick, pencil, scissors. Print the digital pattern that I have provided in the video description and cut it out like this. To make the flower petals, I am using two gold cardstock papers here because in the back it's empty, it doesn't have the gold chain. So I'm gonna attach these two together like this and then cut out the flower petals. Make sure you apply the paper glue across the sheet. Now I'm attaching the first paper to the second one. To avoid scratches on the paper when we are connecting it, I'm using some tissue paper and pressing it down. Using a pencil, I'm gonna trace the flower petal onto the golden sheets. Hold the paper tight and start tracing. Make sure you're using a sharp scissors while cutting the petals. Here I have golden petal on both the sides. I am using 3 golden petals to make the golden flower. The process is similar to my previous video where you just have to press these petals like this inside. This is the first petal where I am pressing it down to become like a bud shape. And then the second one I am gonna gently press it down. This is my second petal. And the third petal, I'm actually pressing it down in reverse side. Using glue stick, I'm gonna attach all these 3 petals together. Make sure when you're attaching these petals together, you have 2 petals here and the third one from the other petal goes in between, like this. Similarly, the third petal, I'm gonna attach it in between like this. Here our beautiful lotus flowers are all ready. These are two-sided. If you have followed my previous video where I created the similar floral decoration to the walls, that one I created in 1 layer, but this flower I created with double layer so that every side when we look at this flower, it will have that gold finish and it will look more metallic. The next step is to create the stands for these floral decoration. For that, here I am using metal candle holders. These are candle holders that I found in my nearby craft store, Hobby Lobby. These are metal, so these are heavy in weight. These are not plastic. So honestly, I got these candle holders on sale. So here is a trick. If you are shopping in Hobby Lobby, every other week, these candle holders are 50% off. So I got these. I couldn't find them in gold color. I could only find them in silver color. So I am just gonna spray paint these candle holders with gold spray paint so that it matches my lotus decor. My floral stands are ready. I'll let it dry completely before arranging the flowers on top of these candle holders. If you have followed my channel, I like things detachable, reusable and easy to store. So if I attach these floral decorations to these stands, I would not be able to store them properly. So here is a trick. I'm using my favorite crafting tool, painter's tape or masking tape, and I'm gonna just attach these in the back of these flowers and attach them to the candle stand. These floral decorations are lightweight and using painter's tape to attach them to the candle holders would absolutely hold them fine. You don't need to worry about them falling down. decor are ready. If you don't feel like buying the metal candle holders, here is option 2 for you guys where you can DIY this floral stand. To make the stand, here I am using a wood base which has curvy edges, 15-inch wood stick, a wooden bead, 1.5-inch wood base. If you have seen my Krishna cradle making, in that I have used this piece to create the cradle, and these pieces I kept it for another project. So I'm going to use these pieces to create the stand, and I'm using hot glue gun. So to make the stand, here I'm using this wood base and connecting the wood bead to it using glue gun. Just add some glue and attach the wood bead. Add some more glue and attach the wood stick. Press it down gently and hold it tight. Just use some glue gun, add some hot glue and attach it on top of the stick like this. This is where we will hold the lotus flower. Let the glue dry completely. Now I'm gonna place this stick on top of the wood base like this. I'm not gonna attach the wood base to this stick as it can balance it on its own. So it's always better to have it detachable so that I can easily store it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish gold spray paint on these and our stand would be ready. Here our DIY floral stands are ready. To this wood base, I'm gonna attach the floral decoration. So I have the painted tape in the back. So I'm gonna attach this one to the wood base here. So the stand is ready. I'm gonna just place it on top of this wood base. Here our beautiful DIY stand is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and please do comment below the video. I would love to read all your comments. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.